Hey everyone, it's Susie Lee with Lina Boutique. Welcome to Totally Dazzled. We're going to have some fun tonight. We're going to dress up a pretty little white sweatshirt. We're going to make this pretty little Love Day sweatshirt. I like the style of this sweatshirt. I think it's adorable because it's kind of oversized and it's got these little slits in it at the bottom. So I kind of like that. Okay, so what I bought to go on here are these cute little Valentine's Day, and I believe they're iron-on because they got the little iron-on. It's a patch. It's an iron-on patch, and it's got the gold around it, so it's already fancy. If I don't care for the gold, I can always go around it with bling, right? So they're gonna go all over this sweatshirt. So let me show you our, what we're gonna be using tonight is our Valentine's Day stencils along with those hearts. It's gonna be all over this pretty little, I love the Valentine's Day red and white. Okay, so what I did was I had some red fabric here, just some plain old red, I don't even know where I got it. You're gonna take your hand from the neck and you're gonna go down to about where your wrist is, like that, and that's where you're going to put the middle of you're going to find the middle of your sweatshirt or your t-shirt or whatever it is, and that's where you're going to put your pretty little heart, right about there. Okay, I'm going to stick this right up in here. Show you what we're going to do. Okay, so I'm just going to put the fabric tack around the edge of this. Carefully, a little more carefully this time, and stick it down. What I want to do is I want to let this dry. I want to take the arrow, this little arrow, and let it go right on through the heart like that. So we're going to work on that first, I think. I do believe. And I'm going to take this, and it's on a little sticky back. Right, so we're just gonna peel that. You're gonna find a nice clean, I cleaned my desk. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's clean. And you're gonna find a nice flat surface and just kind of tap it down. See where this takes us. If we need more, we'll get more. We know where to go. Okay, what you do is you take your stones and you just drop them right over your stencil. Just like this. Might need some more. And then you take this little magic wand and you just kind of move them about. Okay, now you're going to take the third part. So here's the middle part. It was sandwiched together. We're going to take the sticky part right here and peel that off. And it's just a thin little film. Okay. And you're just going to lay it right specifically right over top of the arrow or whatever you've stenciled here. All right, I'm going to just pull this up, and here's the thing. When you pull it up, make sure that all of those stones are sticking. If they're not, put it back down, give it another little rub, but these are all sticking. So I'm going to take this, and right in the middle, I'm going to take this little arrow, I'm going to lay it going right in the middle of this heart like this. And I got this that comes with this. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, that's down really well. And we're gonna take the heated, I have it preheated for 30 seconds. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on here and then I'm gonna move it to the other side. Okay, we're gonna let this cool for a minute. We're just gonna let it cool, right? Now, you pull this up very slowly. And what I do as I'm pulling them is I give them a little press with my finger, just because I feel like it helps. Isn't that pretty? Can you see all the shimmer on that? I love the red and the white together. I think it's so pretty. Let me see. I got some SS20 bling in the clear to go around this heart. I think that'll be really pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna go around the heart, around the edge here with the SS20 bling. But I want to try out one of these patches, guys. Well, I'm gonna try a bunch of them. We're gonna make it pretty. I'm gonna use some more of the stencils before we're done, but I want to get these patches on here too. That's why I needed this. I knew there was a reason. I knew it. This is a parchment paper. So, I got that on pretty good. Let's see what it does. We're going to give it a few seconds here. Let's just put our little heated thinger on here. All right, what I want to do is I want to add some more of these hearts because I got them. So let's add a couple more. Got them ready to go. Look at how sweet that is. Isn't that cute? I love it. I think it's sweet. Okay, so as if it's not sweet enough, I'm going to go around and I'm going to put some stones around the edge here. And here's the thing. People don't know this. You can take your stones and put them on here with some parchment paper or this heat set thing. And you can, you know, I don't know why I was using parchment paper. I could have used this for that. But the red and the white, the red and the clear crystal really is pretty. All right, don't wanna move those stones. So I'm just gonna carefully get my little heat thinger, lay it down, hit the button. Look at this. It got prettier. It got prettier. Look at this. Woohoo! Can y'all see how pretty that got? Gorgeous, right? Look at all that bling. There's some bling to be slung here, to be slinged. I love it. It's gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna put it kind of over here, I said, right? Just like this. And I'm gonna do red because I can. So right up here, right about here, I'm going to the middle of the X's are going to hit the middle of that line right there and like that. Okay, take your little magic tool, rub it down a little bit, make sure that it's not going anywhere. Okay, now we took these that I got from Amazon, and these are on the front with gold, but they wouldn't fit in here. Now I could have moved the X over and done it, you know, I could have done it with the gold on it if I wanted to. I didn't want to, clearly. So I cut the gold off, so we're gonna do XOXO on the sleeve, just like that. How cute are they? Perfect, right? Gosh, it's so cute, you guys. Look at this down the sleeve. Isn't that darling? I think these lips would be really cute on this sleeve. I want to do the lips. Should I do the lips? Let's do it. Down here, y'all can see it better. All right, let's do it. I'm gonna put it up high, kinda, on the sleeve. Oh my goodness, isn't that so cute? I love it. I love wearing my heart on my sleeve. Look at this. Got the lips going on here. I love that. That is so cute. Got the XOXO on this side. Isn't that sweet? On that side, and in the middle we got all these hearts. I think this is going to be darling. I'm just trying to think of how I could darling it up even more. I don't know how I could get it any better. Thanks for being here, you guys, and spending some time with me tonight. Bye, guys.